I'm sure you've heard the news. Excel isn't just about endless rows and columns. There's a hidden way to make data entry way less painful. Ready to meet your new favorite shortcut? Let's talk about the Excel data entry form, a game changer for beginners who hate typing in long rows by hand. Here's how to unlock it. First, make sure you've got your column headers set up in row 1. Think name, age, email, whatever you need. Now click any cell in your data range. Ready? Press Alt, then D, then O, or depending on your Excel version, it might be Alt, D, F, then hit Enter. Boom! The data form window pops up like magic. No more squinting at tiny cells or losing your place. Just fill out the fields in the form, press Enter, and Excel instantly fills in a new row for you. You can easily scroll through your records, edit them, or even delete a row, right from the form. It's way cleaner and faster than jumping around in your spreadsheet. So if you're tired of data entry being a chore, give the data form shortcut a try. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Want more Excel hacks like this? Hit subscribe and keep those spreadsheets stress-free.